Stung by the sex CD scandal, Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal was quick to sack the Minister for Child and Welfare and Social Justice late night yesterday. Arvind Kejriwal announced Sandeep Kumar's removal from Delhi's cabinet on Twitter. Today, the Chief Minister released a video message in Aam Aadmi Party's defense, taking the high moral ground. Arvind Kejriwal said he's ashamed of his minister Sandeep Kumar. Arvind Kejriwal also said that Aam Aadmi Party takes integrity at high value. It's a party of integrity, and while other parties deter on the aspect of taking action against tainted leaders, the Aam Aadmi Party will never compromise with propriety.
उनको हमने तुरंत कैबिनेट से हटा दिया है, लेकिन ये देखने के बाद मुझे व्यक्तिगत तौर पे बहुत दुख हुआ। एक तरफ मुझे दुख है कि इस किस्म के लोग हमारे बीच में थे, लेकिन साथ में मुझे गर्व है कि हमने दूसरी पार्टियों की तरह उसके ऊपर पर्दा डालने की कोशिश नहीं की, उनकी गलत हरकतों पे पर्दा डालने की कोशिश नहीं की, उनको जस्टिफाई करने की कोशिश नहीं की, उनको बचाने की कोशिश नहीं की, उनके खिलाफ सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई की जो हमारे क्षेत्र में आती थी, जो हमारे बस में थी।
But there is a massive political war that's broken out over the sacking of Minister or now former Minister Sandeep Kumar. The BJP staged a protest outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence. They demanded his resignation. The Chief Minister took the high moral ground. He said he's promptly sacked the minister. Aam Aadmi Party's lawmaker Sandeep Kumar claimed he's being targeted because he's a Dalit.
के सम्मान में केजरीवाल इस्तीफा दो।
Sandeep Kumar's sex tape has given Kejriwal's rivals ammo to have a go at the Aam Aadmi Party. A day after the minister was sacked, BJP workers protested outside the Chief Minister's residence. Not to be left behind, members of Swaraj Abhiyan also joined in. Then came NSUI activists who raised slogans outside the Aam Aadmi Party office. After first targeting Sandeep Kumar, BJP turned its guns on Kejriwal.
मुझसे भी कहिए कि इनसे इस्तीफा मांगना चाहिए क्योंकि रिस्पांसिबिलिटी आफ्टर ऑल चीफ मिनिस्टर की है इवेंचुअली।
His party's image hit. Kejriwal sent out an emotional video message.
इसी बात का वचन देता हूं कि अगर इस किस्म की कोई भी हरकत हुई पार्टी के अंदर, कोई भी गलत हमारी नजर में आया तो उसको बख्शा नहीं जाएगा।
A former insider claimed everyone knew what Sandeep Kumar was up to.
15 दिन पहले जब प्रकरण उनके सामने आया तो उन्होंने उस समय स्टेप क्यों नहीं उठाया कोई?
Arvind Kejriwal's minister getting involved in sex scandal has come as shot in arm for the BJP, which has upped the ante against Aam Aadmi Party. BJP feels that despite the sacking of the concerned minister, this time they have an upper hand.
Kumar came out with a rather bizarre defense, which didn't help his case much.
ये खामियाजा मुझे भुगतना पड़ा दलित होने का। ठीक है, मैं गरीब हूँ और दलितों में महादलित हूँ, वाल्मीकि समाज से हूँ, और ये जब से प्रतिमा लगाई है जब से लोगों की आंखों में चुभ रहा हूँ मैं। ठीक है, और ये बिल्कुल जो है ना, मैं इसमें नहीं हूँ और बिल्कुल तथ्यहीन चीज है और ये जांच का विषय है।
As pressure mounts, Kejriwal has promised further action against Kumar, but given the MLA's big Dalit following, sacking him from the party is not going to be easy. With Brijesh Pandey, Bureau Report, India Today.
India Today's Brijesh Pandey now joins me for more on the story. Brijesh, Arvind Kejriwal says, the moment we got to know, we took action, we've sacked Sandeep Kumar as minister. Why is it that the BJP is claiming high moral ground?
Well, because they say that that they have been cautioning the whole of Delhi even before the Aam Aadmi Party took plunge in electoral politics, that the morals, the high grounds which they are professing is a sham, and if sooner or later they'll be exposed before the public, and this is why they say that in the limited time which Arvind Kejriwal has been the Chief Minister of Delhi, their 3 ministers he has to sack his 3 ministers, and they say that, remember, this is the same Kejriwal who had been saying that if you give a ticket to somebody, you ought to have done a thorough background check, whereas 3 ministers being sacked for corruption, sex scandal and things like that, the Aam Aadmi Party cuts a very sorry figure vis-a-vis that. So that is the reason why the BJP feels that this time they have a high moral ground, and they after this expose, the public of Delhi will be able to see the Aam Aadmi Party in their real self, and they feel confident that come the next election they'll be in a far better position.
Stay with me, Brijesh. We will talk about this in greater detail, because it's not just about Delhi, it's also about Punjab and Goa. We'll talk about that in a moment. But the Aam Aadmi Party's MLA, former Minister Sandeep Kumar, finds himself in the midst of an explosive sex scandal. He's of course chosen to brazen it out. After this 11-minute video went viral, the Aam Aadmi Party sacked him. The minister, of course, is saying it's a conspiracy. He has a rather bizarre defense, says the person caught on camera, the person you see in those pictures on your television screen, is not him. He is being targeted because he's a Mahadalit from the Valmiki Samaj. An aggressive Sandeep Kumar has called for an investigation. This despite the footage with different women. Despite being ousted from the cabinet, Sandeep says he will prove his innocence and that he remains a part of the Aam Aadmi Party.
ये खामियाजा मुझे भुगतना पड़ा दलित होने का, ठीक है। मैं गरीब हूँ और दलितों में महादलित हूँ, वाल्मीकि समाज से हूँ, और ये जब से प्रतिमा लगाई है, जब से लोगों की आंखों में चुभ रहा हूँ मैं, ठीक है। और ये बिल्कुल जो है ना, मैं इसमें नहीं हूँ और बिल्कुल तथ्यहीन चीज है, और ये जांच का विषय है।
उसमें आप नहीं है।
देखिए, मैंने अपना नैतिकता के आधार पर इस्तीफा दिया है, और उसमें अगर आप लोग इस बात को घुमाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, बिल्कुल गलत है। आम आदमी पार्टी का मैं पहले भी सिपाही था, आज भी सिपाही हूं, और मेरी वजह से आम आदमी पार्टी पे कभी कोई कलंक नहीं लगेगा, और मैं बिल्कुल ये इस बात को सिरे से नकारता हूं। ये बिल्कुल मेरे खिलाफ षड्यंत्र है, ये साजिश है, और इसकी जो है ना जांच होनी चाहिए।
So Sandeep Kumar insists the man in those red shorts is not him. Sandeep Kumar, it seems, didn't just film these exploits, and that is what is now being alleged, that he used to use this video to exploit them. In simpler words, it is now being alleged that he used these videos to blackmail women. Sources have told India Today this could be the reason why Arvind Kejriwal decided to act against him and jettison him from the cabinet.
ये बिल्कुल मेरे खिलाफ षड्यंत्र है, ये साजिश है, और इसकी जो है ना जांच होनी चाहिए।
Media trial or not, Sandeep Kumar, a former Delhi minister and Aam Aadmi Party MLA, now faces a litany of further allegations.
महिलाओं का इन्होंने कभी भी अपनी लाइफ में कभी भी सम्मान नहीं किया।
This is Lokendra Rana, a former confidant of the AAP MLA who earlier handled his media affairs, an insider who knew his deepest and darkest secrets.
अलबत्तर गालियां जो अब्यूजिंग ये महिलाओं को करता था, वो इतनी गंदी है कि मैं कैमरे के सामने बोल नहीं रहा।
The carefully built persona of a man who respects women, who touched his wife's feet, shattered by allegations made by a former confidant.
ये अपनी वाइफ को जो कह रहा है कि मैं अपनी वाइफ का पैर छू के बाहर निकलता हूँ, ये अपनी वाइफ को इतनी भद्दी गालियां देता था, मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता।
But the most sensational allegation that Sandeep Kumar blackmailed the women he slept with, that the AAP leader would film all his trysts and then go on to take advantage of the women. A fact confirmed by the insider himself.
अगर ये वीडियो बनाई है, उसने खुद बनाई है, तो क्यों, किस लिए बनाई? ब्लैकमेलिंग के लिए, obviously.
The opposition looking for blood is accusing Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party of a cover-up and is promising to escalate the fight.
जानबूझकर एक महिला की फिल्म बनाई है, उसके पीछे की मंशा उसको ब्लैकमेल करना हो सकता है और इस अपराध के खिलाफ हम एफआईआर दर्ज करेंगे.
The allegations of a cover-up could turn into a major criminal case against the Aam Aadmi Party if it is proven that the party was sitting on evidence against its now infamous MLA. Bureau Report, India Today.
My colleague Brijesh Pandey with me for more on the story. Brijesh, will there be a criminal investigation in this case? The BJP is saying an FIR will be lodged, but is this just political or will there be an investigation?
Well, I think, Gaurav, it's more of politics than crime because, for a criminal case to be registered, the girl in question has to come forward and lodge a complaint with the police saying that she has been exploited and blackmailed by the person concerned. Without her coming out in the open or lodging a complaint through somebody or her lawyer, there is no chance that the police can open an investigation because, apart, if you leave aside moral and other ethical issues, consensual sex between the two adults or whatever it is, cannot be deemed as illegal or criminal. So until unless one of the girls, as his campaign manager was claiming that he was using these clips to blackmail them, she comes forward and lodges a complaint. Apart from that, I don't see any criminal investigation being carried out against him.
What more do we know of Lokendra Rana, his close aide at one point of time, his confidant, now who's making major allegations against him? Does he have anything to back these allegations? Does he have evidence?
Well, he has not shown exact what kind of evidence he has, but Gaurav, the fact remains that he has been the campaign manager of the concerned person, and the fact that that he has been very closely involved with him, and the kind of allegations he is leveling are potentially very damaging, not only to to Sandeep but also to the denial mode in which Aam Aadmi Party chief, the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is, because he has been claiming that he got to know about it at 8 p.m. and he sacked Sandeep Kumar in next 30 minutes. But he says, but Lokendra Rana says that he has continuously been informing the top leadership of Aam Aadmi Party about the conduct of Sandeep and as to how he was indulging in these kind of acts, filming them and then trying to blackmail and indulge in extortion. So his claims are extremely damaging politically as far as Aam Aadmi Party is concerned. Gaurav?
Will this have an impact on Punjab and Goa? Is that a fear in the Aam Aadmi Party? Will this be damaging?
Well, I don't know for sure, Gaurav, as to what kind of damage it will have in elections in Punjab. But the fact of the matter also remains that, these kind of negative publicity are always welcomed by your political opponent. And I think the BJP as well as the Congress will leave no stone unturned to milk this particular incident against Aam Aadmi Party. Remember, Aam Aadmi Party is already grappling with one incident of corruption. We are also hearing about a couple of other senior leaders being accused of taking money for meeting and various other things. So these kind of incidents will definitely be milked by their political opponents in Punjab, and once you try to take the moral high ground,
yes,
these kind of incidents definitely do puncture that moral high ground. Gaurav?
Keep tracking that story, Brijesh. I will come back to you for more.